interview on saving the dodos. Do you know what dodos are?
It's blood.
Okay. Do you know what they eat?
Mayonnaise.
What else?
Noodles.
Do you know how they got their name?
It's a certain type of food that they eat.
Yes. They got their name from eating doo-doos. Do you know what doo-doos are?
No.
Save the dodos by eating doo-doos. Okay, we're doing an interview on saving the dodo birds. Okay, do you know what dodo birds are?
There are birds that are dodos.
Okay. Do you know what they eat?
Food.
Like?
Birdseed. Worms.
How did they get their name?
Probably because they saw a picture of you. I suppose because they act goofy.
No. They got their name from eating dodos.
No, doo-doos.
Doo-doos.
You got that screwed up, didn't you? From eating what?
Doo-doos.
The dodos?
Yep.
Okay. Are we done with the interview?
Save the dodos by eating doo-doos.
Now, okay. Save the dodos by eating doo-doos.
Now we're done with the interview.
Okay. Okay, so we're doing an interview on to save the dodo birds. Do you know what dodo birds are?
No.
Do you know what they eat?
Yes, they eat seeds, food, and more.
Okay. Do you know how dodo birds got their name?
Doo-doos.
Yes. Okay, do you know what doo-doos are?
No.
Okay. Let's put notes.
Yes, you do.
Okay, we have to